So let's go to the last one. Mamelodi Sundowns is out of Champions League, so that's a very good thing for us as a Kaizer Chiefs fan. Hina la ku toveriwa hi Sundowns. Problem na Roland ata hi tolovela ngopfu. Hey, yo! A hi ta dya hi switwini. Me a ni lata ze ni hemba no because I'm a South African, blah blah. Ma swi nga ni vuyiseli nchumu like even ka village ya mehe kumbe ka nothing at all. Swi ni vuyisela loko Sundowns ta CAF. A ni yi fave kuze. My baba jaro flying bacha danuna city. Oh, even if I'm gonna they channel that man.
Ni live ka interview ya mai baba se unloud ta improvela ku a hi tsikanangi inkomu ni ta vuyela hansi.
I mai baba
vavhakachesi vamwe vatsaka vakwai kutima tosikirikini
jaro kula imbacha danun a xi yi tivi
I'm not tala mina. Like that's fair food.
wa lava a wu lava
It doesn't. Yeah. My baba jaro kula imbacha danuna city. Oh, even if I'm gonna the channel that matters. The channel that matters the most. Hambokwata. Na magana wena. Wa lava. I will love it. It doesn't. So, when Imanim Amgelaga, the only channel that matters to watch. Yeah. Yo. I blah blah Nwa Gomo the poet Mnganwa Linda must also watch out. The next video might be very cruel on him, and so it's a warning to him to behave and misbehave simultaneously. Blah blah Nwa Gomo the poet. I know the first comment is about him. I don't know what the next comment is going to be about. So, I'm not a fan ya Nwa Gomo's artwork. I'm more of a fan of Xitsonga's artwork than Nwa Gomo. But ni rhandza material ya Nwa Gomo loko swi ta ka timhaka ta ku kula, like ku kurisa ti-platforms ta wehe and to grow as a brand. She's very powerful and intelligent. So, ku va mehe ni ku rhandza, you must never single even those that they think I'm their fan, even those that they know that I'm their fan, abafanelanga va confuse sweswo as being their brand ambassadors. So Nwa Gomo the poet I ehleketa ku mina ni brand ambassador ya yena. So this is what happened. I posted a picture. So Nwa Gomo the poet, it will be on Giyani Land of Blood. So I got this information from this other lady. So and it was credible. The information was very credible, trustworthy. So when I got that information, so I wrote on my Facebook or Nwa Gomo angu dlaya ku phata ntsena na hi connection xa dlaya, and na yo connection a wo yi kumi hi ku tshama kaya ya eniwa, meaning ku ya tirheliwa, you earn it, something that you earn, it means you worked for it. So let's not be confused by if I like you, then it means I'm your brand ambassador. The fact that I'm brand ambassador, brand ambassador, we a famba a xavisa brand ya we, a famba a ndunduzela brand ya we. So at some point she was my profile picture on Facebook. Maybe she thought I must I remember the other day I posted a picture on Facebook and said a girlfriend, I mean, jokingly so, and then she came with some stupid comments on WhatsApp and I was like, yo, look, and she was saying a lot of nonsensical things there. So that was a compliment. But she confused it. Like I must say positive things about her, and that was a positive things, by the way. So Nwa Gomo is one of the most connected person. She doesn't get those things because she's doing very well, like in terms of content. What? Like, tell me one poem that you know that is popular from Wajika. Nothing at all. Nothing. When she's on Giyani, if you check series, she's in Giyani Land of Blood. man Begansangu Sabar she was in Kuanku, man Begansangu was in Kuanku, she was in OCBC Ngula, the man Begansangu when she was campaigning for the World Cup, she was there. That's what Jika for you. Everything that she's participating on, she's not participating on those platforms because of she had a one strong poem that shook the country. She was representing South Africa in Botswana from what comfort? Like from where? Like she went to SABC on Freedom Day and gave a horrible, nonsensical poem. You can't be given 2 minutes to do a poem about Freedom Day and then you take 1 minute and 30 seconds to part away. Wow, it be women. What nonsense is that? And when we like let's avoid kuba sola kumbe kuba criticize ishilungu ne is because when nakutisa ku Nwajika ne Nwa Gomo, either one of them. Nwa Gomo the poem is like an upcoming artist at the age of 34. So you can't try to drag her down. And this is so in any sense where you feel like but if you represent Xitsonga, once you allow people to say, keep up the good work, you are doing so great, you must know criticisms will be there, negative comments will be there. Not everyone will be happy about your work. So every time she's on national platform, she's doing nonsensical stuff. She was there on SABC. She did a whole, like if you can check that, if you didn't know it, go to your TikTok account, you will find it there. She can't even master a voice properly. So all I'm saying is she must improve her work and do well. Connected. She had to do something to get where she is, and credits to her for that. Mara criticize with the greatest respect. What has she done to a point that she deserves to be on Giyani Land of Blood? Like angana gig ya dope. Angana gig ya dope. Like she's just like Malabo Shabsa Shil Staratin, Labo Shabsam Barin Mathematics, just like everybody else. It's not like man. But if you're connected, you'll make it to the top. That's it. In life, be connected. You don't have to be the greatest. You don't have to have like the greatest artwork. Over connected, one man, you will grow. And number 2, why Xitsonga music analysts are biased. It's not about the favor rates and stuff like that. I want to give you a realistic view. I won't talk about the Osaka Chao because I won't talk about the Manyangatsi. Why you're biased? Number 1, we don't have a base. So look, we rate the album, or when you're analyzing album, you don't have like common features. Good album, you go different name the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's all about the feelings. So if it's all about the feelings, it means if I hate you, your album is likely going to be trash if it's not outstanding. So number 2, favoritism play a critical role in analyzing the music. So let's just go look album. I can't give example here Oscar Soul because I've never been so negative album ya Oscar. Because I respect the guys at work. I may not like the content is giving, but the guy is doing great job. So post. Yeah, I love Benny. It's unquestionable. So sometimes we find analysis of Benny post. Sometimes that element of hatred will come in, and things like that. Number 3, that's why mema le nkambilet kule antake ntsonzo ka Xitsonga xin'wana ma ku xidumbu tshama xi ni vutisa ku so loko hakela mali munhu ku on promotela album, and that's the only time I knew kahle I'm promoting this album. But yeah, I think she was checking No one has ever paid me to say anything. The only thing I do is to post a picture and post the link of a song of someone. Listen to promote the person. And that's what I do. And also tell you to go and check something like that. But favoritism there, like being a fan of someone and you hate the other person. Number two, we don't have a base. A base is okay. If I never know content, yes, so if I never know remember zika, if I never the instruments and you want like the beats, we don't have that thing. You just come there and do whatever you feel like doing. Because sometimes the don't want oh, this album is dope. And then look, we actually check album same similar arrangements. Oh, it's trash. That's how it is. So that's what I wanted to give you, why we are so biased. That's why I do less of music analysis, but I'm back. Yeah, I'll choose which albums to do. Yeah, so let's go to the last one. Mamelodi Sundowns is out of Champions League, so that's a very good thing for us as a Kaizer Chiefs fan. Hina la ku toveriwa hi Sundowns. Problem na Roland ata hi tolovela ngopfu. Hey, yo! A hi ta jaha hi switwini. Me hala ta ze ni hemba no because I'm a South African, blah blah. Ma swi nga ni vuyiseli nchumu, like even ka village ya mehe kumbe ka nothing at all. Swi ni vuyisela hi loko Sundowns ta CAF. A ni yi fave because swi ni vuyisela yeah, South Africa fuck off, fucking shit, to benefit anyway. One mana melo grande yiwa na tsaka. No ni ka xikombiso leswi swa bad leswi humelelaka South Africa. Xize lexi va nga te xi vulavule yini hi ku sirhelela maphorisa va ti weapon ti ya rush. A ni tsakini because YouTube yi ni hakela mali yo tala. Because kuma ka yi ni hakela 14 rand na sa yi ni hakela 20 rand. Like $1 is 20 rand and that time ku ri 14 rand. You see, why ni fanele ni tsaka? You could not benefit a personal. So that's Sundowns say, yeah, you must be a South African. You must work for the tech society. By the you look at Sundowns in a G. Sundowns ya delela. And are you delela ntsena? Eh, na rulana nga ta comment ka talk la South Africa here top notch. Fucking shit, man. Honestly speaking, I'm happy for my Sundowns. Let's subscribe. Let's get to 20,000 subscribers. That's the goal by the 27th of June. Nina interview, which I've saved it for you. When we get there, I'm going to publish it. Wala wa love.